on your
What
personal
makes us
social
think that
media.
Jesus didn't cuss?
Exactly.
It
Next
does.
question, Max.
Where was I? Oh yeah. I see business people who use profanity in their personal social media posts. What do you think? Would you refer a person who uses profanity in social media? I mean, it depends on what they're selling to me. Like if you're just selling makeup, do whatever you want on your personal social media. I mean, even in your business social media, if that's your brand,
Do it.
like if your brand is, crass and, I don't give a fuck, then go for it. That's brand compliant. But like if you're trying to sell me like, a Bible,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
trying to preach Jesus to me and then I see you fucking cussing and using other unsavory words on your
What makes
personal
us
social
think that
media.
Jesus didn't cuss?
Exactly. He said Jesus
Oh.
fucking Christ.
Oh, that's true.
He said, "You fucked up my temple."
Fucking tell my dad.
Dad.
But yeah, like I mean, it depends on who and it is and what they're trying to sell me. If they're trying to sell me like I don't know something useful, probably like math books or like math books to children, and they be cussing on their personal social media, maybe take a better look at them real quick. Because if they say shit one time, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Is there a
What if
brand?
they said "putangina"? That's good. Is that still bad?
I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
it's still bad. It's still bad.
What were you gonna say, Joey?
Oh, I was gonna say I'm trying to like think of a brand that actually does this, like
It
cusses
curses
and
openly?
everything. Yeah.
Cursing.
Well, doesn't Wendy's?
I don't know.
Wendy's is a little bit more on the.
Well, Wendy's
何お前はもう死んでいる。
doesn't cuss, but they'll.
Their Twitter will burn you.
Mhm.
Yeah.
They
They don't
roast.
need to cuss.
They don't. They have the power of words,
Yeah.
vocabulary.
And
Yeah.
Wit.
Arby's is like I see
Arby's
a lot
is
of
heavily
Arby's
gay,
anime,
like yeah.
gaming.
What?
Yeah, they're really
Really?
catering to that,
Yeah, on
especially their
Twitter.
Facebook. Oh my god.
We
Mhm.
love. They're like, if we're gonna target a niche, let's get these fools that are playing games until 2 in the morning and
And then all they
hungry.
got is Arby's.
That's fucking genius.
Yeah.
It's true though.
And all
Like,
that's
oh,
open
damn,
is
what's
Arby's.
open? Arby's.
And everybody know Jack in the Box got those munchy people. Like,
Oh fuck.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Munchy
They pop-
meal. Oh come on.
yeah,
Mm.
they
From
capitalize on
breakfast to
that.
everything else.
Yeah.
Because that breakfast burrito was.
So even not just cussing, like it's just
if it's just
you can capitalize on certain
yeah.
social groups.
If it's on brand, I would say.
Mhm.
Right?
Yeah.
If it's on brand.